Hi guys, today I am going to be opening my knit crate deliveries because I can't wait until tomorrow, okay? I just can't. So we're doing that today instead of a tutorial because I wanna see the yarn. Okay, Okay, so the first one we have, I'm gonna move my light so it's better. Okay, the first one that arrived yesterday was this one, which I believe is the monthly box. Now, when I ordered this, I ordered the anything goes version, so it could be anything in here. Where's my scissors? Here they are. Okay. There we go. Don't use your fabric scissors for that, which is what I just did. Turn around this way so you guys can see first. Tissue paper. Okay, so it comes in this cute little box. It's got a thing about how to show everybody. The only gripe that so far I have with knitcrate is that I bought this and then they started showing me ads for it. It's like, dude, I just bought it like an hour ago. You can stop. Okay, so it seems like I got the Cool Blues version, and this is Brooklyn Boy Knit to Logic by knitcrate. So I don't know who. Ah, it's got a cute little bobby hat. Isn't that cute? I don't know what we do with that, but there it is. So we've got the Cool Blue selection, I believe. Which I quite like. I quite like blue. So let me read the label. This one is Empire, which is just the bluey one. I'm gonna move my light because these are not coming out that great on the thing. Maybe that's what it's really dark here today because it's raining. Okay, so that's the blue one. So it's got light to dark blues on it, which I quite like because it is almost teal in places. And you know how I like a bit of teal. These are worsted weight. There are 225 yards or 205 meters, 200 grams. So it's pretty light for a worsted weight. I would say you could get away with a DK pattern for that. Feels fairly thin for a worsted weight. So yeah, you could probably get away with a DK pattern for that. And this one is Royal Court. Same makeup, same everything. It's nice and soft. I like how soft it is. 10 out of 10 for softness. This one has bits of grey in it with the purple and the lighter blue. See, it's got the two blues kind of join up, so that's the project-y thing. So they match. So this is the little booklet you get with it, which I believe has patterns in it. Let me just move the box out of the way and have a look at this. Yeah, so I haven't opened the sock one yet. We've got that in a second. The inspiration. Okay, so this is the dude that inspires this crate. Okay, so that's the all natural colour. The warm one, Safari Sunset Golden Lion, and the Cool Blue, which is the one that we just got. Now, you can choose a colour palette before you order this, but I chose Anything Goes so they could send me whatever, because I just wanted to see what they would pick. This is the sock yarn, so I assume that when we open the sock one in a second, it'll be one of these colours. Hopefully it's this one. I want this one, but we'll see. Because again, I chose Anything Goes, so we'll see. Okay, these are the patterns that you can do with, or what they recommend that you can do. So there's a knit cowl with a cute little cable. There is some knit socks that they recommend you can do with that. Some crochet socks, which are interesting. I've never crocheted socks before, except that one time that was really bad. And a crochet cowl. What else? So yeah, there's the patterns. all up, both these crates, they come from America. They cost 66 Australian for both, and that included shipping, which I'm super impressed with. So there's, yeah, it's literally the patterns. So you get 4 patterns and 2 skeins of yarn for, I want to say $39, which is pretty damn good, especially considering that they ship as well. I don't know whether that's an accident that they've shipped it for free, but there we go. Okay, let's move on to the other one. This just arrived this morning. It's the sock one, I believe. I'm not going to be able to open. Boo! I didn't get the colour I wanted. It's very nice though. It's still really nice. It's colourway Olivia. Feels really good. Like it feels like my sock yarn. just want to put that out there in case nobody's felt that before. This is obviously sock yarn, so it is a 75% merino, 25% nylon, and there's 402 meters, which seems oddly specific. But yeah, you know what I mean. It does actually say on these labels that all knitology yarns are made exclusively for knitcrate. So you can't buy these anywhere else except with knitcrate. So that's interesting. Okay, and apparently you just get, oh, that's good. Look, some darning needles, I guess they are, for weaving in your ends. Helpful, interesting, cool. That's way more helpful than the stupid little hat. But anyway. Ooh. I got a coupon code. And considering I've already put through next month's order, I will use that. And so you get another copy of that just in case you've only ordered the sock one. And that is it. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this little thing. I would actually say that this is really good value. You get 4 patterns, 3 skeins of yarn to do what you want with, and some little bits and bobs every month. These all up cost $66 at least. It might have been 61, but it was around $65. And that includes shipping to Australia, which from experience is at least 20 Australian dollars. I don't know how that works out in USD, but it's at least 20 Australian dollars. And they did ship separately, so that's 2 lots of shipping that those guys have paid for, and I have not. They may find that that is not sustainable in the future, but that's up to them. So yeah, I recommend it. Give it a go. You will get some cool yarns that you never thought that you would buy. Like, I would not go out of my way to get this colour, but I actually really like it. It's not the one that I wanted from this month, but you know what? I've got some things it'll go with in my stash. But yeah, give it a go. I will put a link to the website down below, and that is knitcrate.